एक्सपर्ट्स को, आई एम श्योर वहां आरबीआई में बैठी एमपीसी को भी सबको सरप्राइज करा 8.2 के नंबर्स, किसी ने ये फोकास्ट नहीं करे थे। तो फिर दूसरा सवाल, जब मैंने कहा था कि H1 में 8% की जीडीपी हमने Q1 और Q2 को मिला लूं तो 8% की आ गई। पूरे साल के एस्टिमेट्स क्या थे? तीनों के आंसर्स जो थे प्लीज स्क्रीन पे रखिएगा। माधवी भी जोड़ती हुई, और माधवी ने कहा है 7.3% पूरे साल की। माधवी, इसका मतलब ऐसा पढ़ूं क्या कि H1 में 8% थी, पूरे साल में 7.3% होगी, तो इसका मतलब H2 में ग्रोथ कुछ हद तक ठंडी पड़ी होगी, या ये प्योरली बेस का इंपैक्ट होगा?
To a large extent, it's also a base effect. In fact, third quarter would still see a 7% plus growth. So on a sequential basis, you actually will see some support from delayed purchases post GST cut, which played out largely in October. So uska effect dikhega. And I think lagged effect of monetary policy would also play out. Just to note, between September and December, actually liquidity had tightened much more than what it was in the early part of the year. So uska bhi kuch effect somehow in indirect form or direct form would play out. So second half is a tad tighter in terms of growth compared to first half. मगर पूरे साल का नंबर अगर 7 के ऊपर आ रहा है, then you are looking at a much better growth picture than any of us had predicted beginning of the year. So I think the bigger takeaway is that all of us analysts, RBI alike, have actually misread the current macro cycle. We can debate the quality of data, we can debate other things, but nobody was talking about sub 2% inflation and a 7.5% plus kind of a growth picture in FY26 when we started this year, including that of Reserve Bank of India. So I think it's becoming very difficult to trust on the forecast also that we are doing as analysts and as policymakers. And it is getting very difficult for us to actually navigate this cycle. And that is a bigger takeaway than just debating, 10, 20 bips numbers here and there. Because clearly the larger picture is that we all have misread the macro cycle at this point in time. And forecasts are becoming increasingly difficult to, get right.
ये सच